Hi, I'm Andrea with Yarn Pack and Mama, and today we're going to be going over the single crochet stitch, which is the #1 basic stitch in my opinion. It's so versatile. So first we're going to start off with a slip knot on our hook, and then from there we're just going to chain up some chains. I'm going to do 10, 2, 3, and from here I'm going to work into the second chain from the hook, and this loop on the hook does not count as a chain or stitch, so we're going to count 1, 2 and work into that second chain. And to do the single crochet, you insert your hook, you yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and draw through 2 loops, and there's our first single crochet. And again, that's insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2, and then we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, and draw through 2 loops. So now I'm just going to work to the end so that I can show you a few rows of single crochet. Since single crochet is such a short stitch compared to the others, it is definitely better seen with a few rows in. Alright, so then I'm going to turn my work. And for a single crochet, you don't need a turning chain to create that extra height or space in order to work your stitches, so you can just work straight into the first stitch from the hook. And again, that's inserting your hook, yarning over, drawing up a loop so that there are 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, draw through both of those loops for your single crochet. And this is US terms. It is not the same if you're looking at something that's written in UK terms by any means, because it's a completely different stitch. And again, I'm just going to work all the way to the end just to try to show off the single crochet stitch. And because even though it's just a simple single crochet, it still looks quite nice once it's worked up. And I'm going to do 1 more row after this. And again, you don't need a turning chain. You can, of course, do a turning chain if you'd like, but I don't like to do them unless I have to. Alright, that's the last one I'm going to do. And as you can see, we've got, let's stretch out the stitches just a little so that you can see a little bit better what they look like. And that's your single crochet. They have nice little V's and cute, simple little stitch. If you like that, please tune in for some more stitch and pattern tutorials. See you soon.